Hey everybody, welcome back to my vlog, welcome back to my channel. Hey, what's good y'all? We back with another video and I'm back with a little vlog. I'm just gonna take y'all along my day. Well, first of all, it is 9:55 in the morning and I am packing up my bags because I'm about to go to my mom's house to go finish braiding her hair, and it's also 4th of July. And it's not that I like celebrate 4th of July, because I don't really celebrate 4th of July like that, actually celebrating what the holiday means. No, y'all know we Juneteenth down. No, black people, we still gonna do cookouts, we still gonna, you know what I'm saying? My friend invited me to her mom's house. They're gonna be cooking on the grill today, and it's just something to do. Like, I literally don't get out the house. So after I finish braiding my mom's hair, I was gonna come back home to get ready and get cute and stuff to go, but I think I'm just gonna take the clothes and then just prep at my mom's house. And first of all, I'm gonna pack these. These are my press-ons that my nail tech made for me, custom made press-ons, because y'all, I've decided to not get my nails done anymore unless it's like special occasions or event-based type of things. I'm just gonna either do my own nails or get press-ons made. So these are just some regular French tip square, and yeah, this is what I'm gonna put on today. So I'm gonna bring this purple dress. I love this dress. It's so stinking cute, and it goes like all the way down. It's a maxi dress, and when I wore it the first time, I got a lot of compliments. So I'm gonna bring this just in case I'm gonna wear this, but this is honestly like my second option, just in case the first option don't work, because I want to wear the first option, but just in case I don't feel comfortable, like I be having to make sure I feel 100% comfortable. So this dress I know I'm gonna feel comfortable in, so I'm gonna bring it as a backup, you know. I'm back. So I just wanted to talk to y'all while I'm putting some makeup in my makeup bag and stuff. I gotta bring my light. I got this light from Amazon. I'm gonna bring it just in case I want to use it. It's dark. I plan to see some fireworks today, y'all. Not sure how, not sure when. It's not like I'm like celebrating the holiday. I just really love fireworks. Like, anytime I can see some fireworks, I'm gonna be there. I don't care if I'm by myself, I'm gonna go. Last year I went downtown and I went to go see the fireworks by myself, me and Queenie Boo. So if we gotta do that again, we gotta throw that back. That's what we gonna do, because I got to see some fireworks. I love fireworks, y'all, for real. So I'm just putting some stuff in my makeup bag. This is my makeup bag. This is one of my makeup bags, but I love this makeup bag. I literally take it everywhere on all my trips. So, but I do take it everywhere. Let me just give y'all a little rundown. It's out of focus. Focus. We are actually in a hurry. I'm just packing my Good Molecules discoloration serum, correcting serum, and I'm gonna get another one of their products. So it's so crazy because I was like, I don't really like this product. I had posted something on TikTok saying I didn't like the product. Moisturizing cream. I'm taking my Thayer's Milky Hydrating Toner, and then my hyaluronic acid by Good Molecules as well. But yeah, y'all, so I have posted a video. Oh, and then my face wash. Oh yeah, some more left in here. So this is my travel size face stuff that I brought to my vacation, and it's basically the Laura Boucher. I don't know how to say it. I really don't. It's a new face wash that I've been using and I absolutely love it. But I do have my lash bath, but I'm not gonna wash my lashes today because I feel like when I wash my lashes, I don't have my fan. So I don't want to take this, but I just would want to be able to fluff it out right. I think I want to do my eyebrows today. So yeah, I think I'm going to do a light makeup. So, and I mean it, because I always say that, but then it don't end up being light. But this time has to be light. I don't even know how hot it's going to be, and I don't like wearing makeup when it's hot. So if push comes to shove, we might just be doing eyebrows. So this is the NYX eyebrow gel. This is like so crazy because I did a review on this product as my very first YouTube video like ever in life, and I was in high school, and I still like use that product. Well, actually I came back to that product. This is my brush collection. I have to clean it honestly, y'all, so we're gonna pick and see which brush is clean. Basically I need to hurry up.
And he came off in his Nike, and I swear they had buckles on. I don't know how he got Jordan to do it, but he got Jordan to put buckles on his Nike. Then he opened a vegan restaurant And I don't know how he did it. I don't know how he did it. But
Hey you guys, good morning. It's 9:29. It is the next day. I am in the car and I'm on the way to the salon. I have 2 clients today, one at 10 a.m. and one at mid-afternoon. I can't remember, or evening. No, mid-afternoon. Probably like 12 or 1, something like that, y'all. I know y'all was supposed to see me yesterday, and I was supposed to be heading to the after, you know, I was supposed to go see my friend. Her mom was cooking on the grill, whatever. And yesterday did not go as planned, let me just say that. But today's a new day, and you know what? We're gonna try again. I want to get my lashes done, y'all. I texted my cousin this morning and I want to go travel to her because I want my hair touched up. I've had locks in. I absolutely love my locks, and me like this pushback, all this is like new growth, but this is kind of cute like this. But I want to go get my locks touched up on Sunday because I'm off, and I also want to go see my god baby. I miss her, and I'm thinking about having a little girls day. So I text her. I'm waiting for her to text me back. If I get my hair touched up, I want to get my lashes kind of refilled. Even though, y'all, my lashes is really good, I feel like I'm kind of doing too much, and maybe I should wait until this week to get my lashes touched up. It's like they're fine, but there's also gaps in some of them. You see? See? They was like shedding a little bit, so I know my lashes, like, they're gonna end up shedding more this week, and I'm gonna want to get them done. So let's just be proactive. You know, I asked my client, did she want to move up tomorrow, because it was like a 9 o'clock. Actually, she want to come in early at like 7, so I switched her to 7:30. So my lash tech has an appointment at 1 o'clock. I don't know if I should book it. Should I book it, y'all? I don't know. I want to book the appointment, but if I book the appointment, then I'm gonna get go get a wax, and then I have these press-ons that I was gonna put on that I told you about yesterday. So that would just make me feel like everything is complete. And if I have a girls day with her, the next day we could possibly get our feet done, so my feet can match my press-ons. I got friendship, so I'll just probably get white on my feet. So what do y'all think? Road trip? I love me a good road trip now. I love me a good road trip. And hair just coming out. I need my hair done. Alright, y'all, so we in the salon. My client is about to come in. Well, I'm gonna text her after I bleach the closure, glueless closure install with bangs. But I want to show y'all this unboxing for these tape pins that I just got. Not tape pins, let me show you the micro links. These are the same texture, just in micro links. Look at these micro links, y'all. Hold up. I just texted my client and told her that I'm here, so we gotta hurry up. I'm about to tell Instagram too, because these hey y'all, good morning. So I just unboxed some new textures for our raw hair collection. Within the raw hair collection, which is not yet on the website, y'all know that the website is under construction for crown hair. So these are our micro links that will be added to the website. So excited. These are just one of the textures, and this is the same texture but in our tape ins. Let me know what y'all think. So super duper cute, very bouncy, very full. You will get a lot of links within the micro link bundle. It's so cute. So this will be added to the website once we relaunch and everything's added on there. You come in. Hey. Good, how are you? Huh? Oh yeah, you can close it. You look cute. You're welcome. So tired, I'm looking for sleep. And this salon. About to head back to the house. It is 6:47 and I may have some plans tonight. A friend invited me out and I might go with him out tonight. I don't know, but I have plans regardless to go to the movies, so I would like to hang out with him because we've been trying to link for a minute. I can always go to the movies, but this is why I want to go to the movies. Either way, we going somewhere tonight. So I'm probably gonna stop. Actually, I'm not stopping to get nothing to eat because I just went to the grocery store.
With this particular verse is the emphasis on remembrance, the emphasis on not forgetting what God has done. And I feel like that is something that God has been impressing upon my heart in my day-to-day life.
Alright y'all, so I just cleaned up my desk and with my vanity. Queen, come here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on here. Well, I'm about to put on these press-ons and I'm gonna let y'all watch me do it if I can get this freaking bag open. There you go. Alright y'all, so these are my nails. These are how my nails came out. I will say they are very like thick and like chompy, and I don't like that. I know that I can probably debulk them myself, so I want to do that, but then again I'm scared because I don't want to mess up the actual French tip. Alright y'all, so plans are canceled. We're not going anywhere tonight. I'm really tired, so I'm probably gonna just go to sleep. I don't even feel like driving tomorrow, but because I'm tired right now. My little sister's gonna be coming with me tomorrow, so I don't even know if I told y'all what's going on tomorrow. No, I did tell y'all what's going on tomorrow. I'm going to get my hair touched up. And I'm going to do a bob. I don't know if I told y'all, but I'm going to cut this into a bob. So, yeah, my little sister's coming with me. Y'all will be able to meet her. I have a client at 9:30 tomorrow morning. So we're gonna go do my client and then go get my hair touched up. And then that should be probably going to end the vlog tomorrow. I'm tired. So I will talk to y'all in the morning when I'm more energized. Alright y'all, so I just wrapped up my client and then I had to do my sister's hair as well, surprisingly, because her hair looks terrible. And as her sister, I'm not gonna let my girl walk out looking crazy, so I had to redo her hair. And my client literally just left. Y'all, look at my cup. Isn't it cute? It's about 12:40, so yeah, it is time to go. Reservations for us to what? Oh, this coconut water is nasty. She scheduled reservations for us to go to like a rooftop bar. Oh, it's not a bar, but it's a restaurant where we went to before, but this is like a different location. So she scheduled that for 2 o'clock. So I don't know if we're gonna make it, to be honest, but we're gonna try. Let's try. And then while we was already out, while we was already out to go to the store, wherever we want to go. Honestly, just kind of messing up my plans a little bit because I wanted to change and then wear something to go to dinner tonight after my hair is done. So I don't know. I don't think we're gonna make this reservation regardless. So hopefully today go as it was originally planned, which is go eat last. That's gonna fall. All right. Hello. Hey Siri. Call sister.
Calling sister.
Hey boo boo, what the matter? Yeah, but our ETA said we're gonna get at the place at like 2:47. They don't have like a 3 o'clock?
No, that was the only time they had, but I mean, I can get there.
Oh, okay.
At 2:30. You put the address in.
Oh, you said 2:30. Oh, that ain't that bad. I thought you said 2. Lord, Nene, you just sick. We on the way. I'll call you when I'm almost there.
I'll meet you at the place.
Alright. This is my sister. I never put up that other vlog, so they don't even know who you are. Are you gonna say hi to the vlog? Hi.
Exactly what I wanna do. Then I'ma get a business too.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that, never gotta sweat.
Cousin, do you go in the Marriott side or the embassy?
To the Marriott, and you go
Oh,
to the
okay.
elevator to go to the 23rd floor.
23rd? Okay. Alright.
That never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, 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 never gotta sweat that. You could bet that.
My neck, my back, so my back, my neck, my back, my back.
one size. I want to get something. Oh no, isn't their primer good? Sweat proof. I need that because I have oily skin. Okay, what else do you recommend? I think I'll be looking at their setting powder too. Their setting powder is good, right?
I was thinking of getting a concealer or nothing.
You haven't tried it yet?
I tried it on my hand earlier today, and I was thinking of getting it today.
Oh, how did I end up with all of this in this bag? I got the translucent one size. I did want to try this though. And then I have the one size sweat proof primer, and then the one size matte setting spray. And I have really oily skin, so I'm hoping these products will do me good. But yeah, I'm getting put to work, y'all. I'm getting put to work just a little bit. My cousin wanted me to part her hair. We just finished blow drying it, and I'm about to part it for her because she's about to do some style. Follow me on Instagram, you guys. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. This was today. Ooh, I should have did that as a video, not boomerang. Look at my big mama. Look at my big mama. Okay. We're probably gonna watch the Army Barbie vlog, huh?
I feel like I forgot we ate. Like it didn't fill us up. Were you full?
I mean, I wasn't full. I was satisfied though, just because I ate, you know. Like I could tell I ate. Like I was no longer hungry.
Yeah, cause
did I even show you? Oh no, I introduced you when you first got on there.
Yeah.
But hi. Make sure y'all follow her YouTube channel. I'll put it right here.
Yeah, it's me, China.
What kind of do you?
I need my ends clipped, but I'm going to. My cousin said I should wait until I get a silk press and then clip them. But my ends are terrible. Like, look at this.
Oh, let me show them my pictures. Y'all are gonna see me post on Instagram. My cousin took me some cute pictures of me and my little baby. Look at her. Cause some other pictures we took was smut when she first was born.
Which one? Oh.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving to the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this road.
Yeah. Your girl is back.
Can see that scalp.
Y'all see it. Y'all see how my cousin do it every single time. And I'ma hype her up every single time she do her thing, because she not gonna miss. She not gonna miss. It's just not gonna happen. So if you waiting for it, take your ass to sleep and try to see your dreams, nigga, cause it ain't gonna happen. She's like the best to do locks, and it's like I'm really not just saying that because she's my cousin. I have this reaction every time, and I be hyped because it's just like I can't believe it.
You really do.
I love it.
I love you. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, oh. Hey, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby.
Alright y'all, so I just got back home. So I like to use that moisturizer on my lips from the Beauty Spot store, and I kind of use it as a lip gloss too. As you can see, it just gives me a shine. And yeah, I'm about to do my face. I literally just got out the shower, and I'ma just end this vlog out right here. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I really gave this vlog my all. I'm using the Good Mom.
If you know exactly what I wanna do, then I'ma get a business to you.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that.